Hello students, today we are going to start class 5th subject science chapter 11 question answers. Okay, so first we will do start from the additional question or practice. Observe and recording. So your first question is look at the picture and given below and take the adaptation and the help of the animal to survive in a habitat. So it's a thick fur bag. Okay, now come to the question number second. There is 3 adaptations that help a fish to easily swim in water. So your answer is here. Fish can swim easily in water due to the following adaptations. Okay, so first, second and the third. There are 3 points. They have streamlined bodies that allow them to swim in a water with least resistance, and they have gills to breathe. Gills are capable to taking oxygen from water, and they have fins that help them to swim easily in water. Now, what is meant by adaptation is adaptation are the physical characteristics that all plants and animals develop according to the surrounding in which they live. Okay, now they have matched the following and you can see over here the answers. Just write down. Okay, now the fifth one. Why is camel able to walk easily on sand? A camel is able to walk easily on sand because they have broad, fleshy and padded soles in their feet that help them to move easily on sand, and their long legs help in keeping the body warm from the heat of the sand. Okay, now the sixth one. Which aquatic plant is shown in the pond in picture A? Okay, and the answer is the plant shown in picture A is Echinoria of water hyacinth. Now the seventh question. Look at given picture B of a lotus and frame any equation to think more information about it. Is what type of plant is lotus? What does lotus not decay in water? How do the leaves of lotus help in to adapt in water? Okay, now if you keep a fish outside water, will it survive and why? No, fish will not survive it kept outside water because it is an aquatic organism. A fish breathes through gills and that bring in oxygen when moist of help the blood to carry oxygen in water. The gills of fish dry up when it will be taken out of water and will eventually die. Okay, now ninth one. Nature makes the following organism fit for survival in habitat. List their adaptation. So here you can see the natural makes the following organisms is first is Pistia. This plant have a spongy stem with a large number of air space. Their broad waxy leaves help the plant to float on the surface of water. These plants remain in contact with water and air but are not attached to the soil. Lotus. It is a rooted aquatic plant with floating leaves. Its roots are fixed to soil but their broad leaves float in the water. The long stalks of lotus help to keep their broad leaves floating in water, and leaves of lotus have a waxy coating which makes the leaves waterproof. Hydrilla. It is a submarine aquatic plant. Such plants have thin arrow and ribbon shaped leaves. These leaves allow water to pass through them with least resistance. Frog. Its live both on land and in water. The most skin of frogs help them to breathe when they are in water. Then their lungs help them to breathe when they are on land, and their web feet help them to swim in water. Now fish. They live only in water, so they are called aquatic animals. Fish have streamlined bodies that allow them to swim in water with least resistance. They have gills to breathe. Gills are capable of taking oxygen from water, and they have fins that help them swim. Okay, so now the last question. Humans make effort to remove Echinonia plants from ponds. Give reason. And here is the answer. Human make effort to remove Cronia plant from the pond because if the entire pond get covered with Cronia plant, then it will have the following harmful effect. It will reduce the level of oxygen, leading to suffocation or even death of aquatic organisms like fish. It will reduce recreational activity like swimming and boating. It will make it difficult for fishermen to spread fishing net to catch fish. So children, here we have completed the question answers of chapter 11, and this work you have to do in your notebook. Thank you.